live from, well, not live, but we're from Tijuana, Mexico. Here I am with
Craig Nemethy.
Craig, where are you from? What part of the world?
Currently, Kansas City area.
Excellent. Kansas City, Missouri?
Yes.
Okay, I like Missouri because I've used that as the show me state because I like objective results. So what'd you do? What'd you come down here? What were you looking for?
To feel better. Back issues, hip issues, pain.
Okay. Now pain, why did you come down here to Mexico when there's a whole bunch of doctors around that have tons of medications that can give you?
I've never been a conventional thinker.
That's what I'm checking out. Because you want pain relief, man, you can do tons of drugs. They're bringing lots of fentanyl over.
Yeah, wasn't much interested in drugs either. So I thought this would be a much better approach.
Okay, where did you come up with this attitude? Because people nowadays, particularly north of the border, it's symptom chemical. That's to be symptom drug or symptom medication.
That's a more difficult question. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure why I don't go the conventional route, or at least the route that a lot of people take. It just didn't seem to make sense to me that you use a drug to cover up something that's wrong. You'd rather fix what's wrong. So that's why I'm here.
I know it's going to sound weird. Man has a symptom and he's looking for a solution and the reason.
Pretty much.
Okay, now, yeah, you've been here for a couple of days. What results have you experienced?
Well, as far as all the pain and everything goes, that seems to be alleviated. I know I've got a long way to go. I'm walking better. I was limping a lot more. And just from the motel to here, I can tell that feels better already. Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm on my way.
The neat thing is the body is designed to heal. And I mean, one of the things that we're doing different with the hips and things is we're creating inflammation so the body can regenerate. And a lot of times people are scared of inflammation because if it's in the entire body and you're taking an anti-inflammatory, that actually destroys the joints. We want to create a local inflammation so the body can regenerate. Now, what would you tell someone, okay, because this is a bold move. I mean, you're thinking about joint regeneration. Why is the body given symptoms? I mean, you got a practical mind, like a contractor. Well, that's why contractors and engineers get it. Okay, this symptom's got to be there for a reason. Fix it. Okay.
Yeah. Totally agree.
What would you tell someone that has symptoms and they've been told ridiculous stuff like it runs in my family or hereditary or something? The reason I say the symptoms are real, but what caused your body to express that gene, okay, it was based on physical, chemical, and emotional stress. And you can mention or name a few members of your family that don't have that genetic expression. So what could you tell someone out there?
See if what you're doing works. If it's not working, then come up with something that does. The solution is out there. You don't do what I did. Suffer for years. Do something about it now, and really, you have to see what's been going on in your own history. If you're doing something and it's not working for you, there's a solution. That's why I'm here.
Amen. And you've been here a whole day and you're starting to get results.
Yeah. Yep, whole day.
Okay, and what do we say here? Expect fast results, because the body is designed by God and it is intelligent. It does give symptoms for a reason. You address the cause, then the symptoms are resolved. You try and treat the adaptation to those symptoms, it ain't going to work. So, what advice can you give to someone that's just on the edge? Oh, wait, no. I'm going to ask you. Okay, what have you? Because we're in Tijuana, Mexico.
Yes.
And there's a bit of propaganda out there to say, be careful, be afraid of everyone.
Yeah.
How's your experience been down?
it's been perfect. From the phone call to getting here was as simple as it could possibly be. Everything was arranged for me except for actually dialing the phone. So I was able to somehow handle that myself, and everything else was just as easy as can be. So, yeah, it's been great, as is the staff and all the people, because there's so many things that get done here. From the time you walk through the door, everyone's there to help you out. Everyone's been great.
I got to tell you, I love my team. Mm-hmm. I got a team in Huntington, Mexico, and Bangkok, and I'm telling you that you're right. Mm-hmm. I come in here, I've been away for about 4 weeks, and it's literally genuine hugs. Love you, brother.
Yeah.
Okay, take charge of your health. Don't accept destruction, damage, death, disease. Your body is self-healing, self-regulating. That's why I was talking about blood sugar. Mm-hmm. Okay, you'll see that all normalize. Okay, and so it's not your body is adapting correctly to the stress. Don't address the stress response. Address the underlying cause: physical, chemical, emotional. Good?
Yeah, great.
God bless you. Stay healthy, my friends.